All right, let's look at the Bed Bath & Beyond space. Office Depot cart. Now here's the Big Lot space, also vacant. I filmed here not long ago. This used to be an H-Greg. And very well, permanently closed. Light's actually off. This closed on a Sunday in February. Oh, look, it's a couch. Hoover, the city of Hoover. Now, we're gonna look at the Trader Joe's space that was part of the Bed Bath & Beyond space. Here it is. And they added ceiling tiles too. I might steal one of these carts if I were to be this dumb. If I was really this dumb, I would actually steal these carts. Brand new Trader Joe's cart. Brand new Trader Joe's. Yeah, there's still nothing there, but I think they should open by now. I can't even put my phone up there. Might be able to get it from this angle. But that's it. There's somebody looking at me passing by. There's still not a Trader Joe's sign.